Yo, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm gonna show y'all a popular Christmas song. Well, it's a Christmas song, but in church they sing it. You can sing it year round. But come let us adore Him. I'm gonna do it in the key of C. The reason I'm doing this song, I see a lot of people play it differently, and I'm not knocking the people that play it like this, but I was I was scrolling YouTube and I saw somebody playing the whole song 1 4 5. So if we in the key of C, that means C F G. They played the whole song like that with no other chords, and it's not knocking them like I said, but it is a lot of variety in that song, and it's a lot of room to try different chords just to not let it be so bland. And then it's just a good song to play anyway. But so we in the key of C, so we have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and I'm not gonna do the come all ye faithful. I'm not gonna do that part. I'm only gonna do the come let us adore Him. So the progression will be 1 5/7, 6 minor, 4 minor over a flat 6, and 4 minor, but you could say 4 minor 6 because I'm throwing this 6 in there too. 4 minor over flat 6, 1/5 to 5, and then you do that again. Come let us adore Him. And then oh come let us is 2 minor, 1/3, 2 minor over 4. Now this is a flat 5 half diminished. So F sharp half diminished. 5. You could say flat 6 diminished to 6 minor, then 4 minor over 2. So F minor 6 over D, and then to your 1 5 1. So I'm gonna play it now. So oh come let us adore Him. Oh come let us adore Him. Oh come let us adore Him Christ. So that's to me pretty basic way to play it. You got some chromaticism in there, you got some borrowed chords in there, and it's not so bland. So that's just a good way to play the song. Now it's some variations you can do, so keep that as like your standard just template for the song. Now I'm going to show you some of the different nuances that I might throw in there. So with this part, you can get real creative, as long as if you're playing it by yourself, it don't matter. But if you're in a band, you would definitely want to like tweak this stuff out. So in the beginning it says, oh come let us adore Him. You can do, so if you're doing oh come let us, so instead of going to the 6, I just went to a flat 7. So oh come let us, and then go right to the flat 6, the 4 minor over flat 6. And then I'll do it the regular way. So oh come, so 1 5 6 flat 6 5 5, and then I will keep this part the same. Oh come let us adore Him. Now instead of going to the 2, that's another nuance you could do. Just go to the flat 6, and we do that a lot in church too. We go 6 minor, flat 6, so 4 minor over flat 6 to 1/5 and 5 1. So let's just do that again with the change. So we do oh come let us adore, oh come let us adore Now, something I did notice that I'm doing in the left hand. So if I do, oh, come, let us, a lot of times I'm playing some intervals in the left hand. You know, it's not a crime to play octaves. I try to get away from playing octaves. That's something I used to do when I first started playing. Either we play one note, octaves, sometimes a 1 and a 5. Honestly, I don't see a lot of people doing this when they first start playing either the 1 and 5, because that actually, to me, if you take it up here, like say you had a bass player, I would just take my 1 up here and just, so you can do that. See. So that's what I said. You want to know how to utilize your left hand in different ways, but it's not a crime to play octave. It's just, it can get muddy, and you know, and then it's just like I said, a lot of people get stuck doing that. If the way you start, if you don't challenge yourself, you end up playing like the same way for years, and then it's like it's hard to try to get out of those ruts that you put yourself in. So let's, you know, try to just put intervals in your left hand as much as you can. So let's try it now. I'm gonna do it a little differently, and I haven't practiced this, but just this is just how I just play. So, oh come let us, I won't do too fancy, adore him. So let me do that again, because I was about to do some jazzy stuff. I don't want to do it like that. So, oh come let us adore. Oh come let us I'm gonna show you that. I gotta show y'all that too, because I did that last time. All right, so a few things I did differently, just adding some more like tasteful stuff. I did right here. So if you go into your 2, remember circle of fifths, 5 to 1. What is the 5? If D minor is my, technically we looking at it as a 1, or the note, or the chord I'm going to, what is 5 to this? So A is 5 to D. So I'm over to my A, I'm playing a transition chord to get me here, or a passing chord to get me to the D minor, which is, I can play like a C sharp diminished 7 to 1, 5 to 1. You can look at it like a C sharp diminished 7 to D minor, but the way I just did it was, you know, the A dominant 7 with a flat 9 to 2 minor. So I'm gonna do that part again. This is second "Oh Come Let Us." Oh come let us adore him. Oh, you can do like arpeggios too. Oh come let us adore. Oh, that chord too, I wanted to show y'all. So instead of going to that diminish on the 6, sometimes I play it like a drop 2. So I did E major 9 with G sharp in the bass. So let's play that. Oh come let us adore. And then you just go to the regular. In Christ the Lord. So let's do that part one more time. Oh come let us adore. And I'm just changing the inversions. Sometimes I'm gonna come up here, play it down there. So that's why I say you want to get comfortable playing chords in different places, voicing them differently, because it does add a lot of flavor. And a repetitive song like this, because they're gonna sing it 30 times through with different words, I mean, it adds more, just more tasteful when you can move around the piano a little better, or whatever instrument you're playing. Oh,